7 months ago, something amazing happened. We had the dream to create a better sous vide solution, and over 2,000 people jumped on board to share that dream with us, backing the Nise Wave. You all watching this video are without a doubt the coolest people in the world. While we've been perfecting the components inside the Nise Wave and making sure our hardware and software operate seamlessly, we haven't been alone. We've had help. And since this is just as much your project as ours, with production about to start, we wanted to do something special for you all. So hold on to your hats, because we're going to China.
Dude, look. Where's Mr. Grant?
We're going to be paying a visit to the places that are coming together to make the Nise Wave a reality. Molding is the first step, so we drove to Dongguan. We begin with a block of metal.
This is 1 ton of metal.
The mold is carved out by Droman.
Our mold would be like, the front plate would be like that. It's 26 pieces. So together, over a ton for sure.
The most intricate details of the wave mold will be lasered into the mold.
It's so hot that you use the water to put it down.
The molds are then polished by hand. The engineers on the team have also put thought into the specific material we will pour into the mold to create the casing of the wave.
Right. You see how there's 3 different types in there? Yeah. You need to mix that with other things in there. And he's doing it right now.
There's truly an art to good injection molding.
Right. They would have to adjust the mixture, adjust the temperature, adjust the pressure, adjust the speed.
Grant was especially excited to show us this
it's
piece,
by far the most advanced molding technology.
which was used on something the factory made in the past.
They inject 3 times on the same piece. So you have soft, you have transparent, you have
What? That really impressed him. Our next stop was the PCB board manufacturer. You can think of this chip as the brain inside the Nise Wave. Every single connection on the board is there for a reason. The precise sizing has been developed in conjunction with the molding team. Because every connection on the PCB board is crucial, they all get tested. Every single board, every connection. What was really amazing was how friendly everyone was. Everywhere we went, you can really sense that everyone is excited for this all to come together. After lunch, we hopped on a ferry from Dongguan back to Shenzhen
It's an automated bag.
to visit with a facility which will be able to perform the assembly and quality assurance.
We won't be able to film when we get inside.
Yeah, with most assembly factories, they won't allow us to film.
Not only that though, they also have the necessary equipment to create metal components.
We're doing all the metal components.
Every single Nise Wave will be subjected to testing.
See, that's where they test like sous like equipment.
To ensure it meets the water resistance specs which we promised to deliver on. This facility has equipment for water resistance testing, and we will be able to adapt that for the Nise Wave.
And even with pressure, there's no leakage of air.
From tooling to molding to PCB board manufacture and assembly, everything is about to come together, and now you've seen what we've seen. It might be a little inconvenient to fly 26 hours, but from the beginning, this has never been about doing what's easy, it's been about doing what's right. This is the journey we are all going to share together. As I sat on the plane back to Toronto, I couldn't stop imagining the factories we saw, buzzing with the production of Nise Waves. As everything finally ties together, it won't be much longer now.